If you're considering Zoho Books' sales tax add-on for your business, there are a few key things you should know before making a purchase. While it's a solid choice for automating tax management, you'll want to see how it stacks up against other options out there. Let's break it down so you can make an informed decision. First thing to know, Zoho Books. Sales tax add-on integrates well with other Zoho apps. If you're already using Zoho CRM, Zoho Inventory, or Zoho Projects, this add-on will work seamlessly with them. This makes it easier to manage taxes across your entire business workflow. However, if you're using other accounting tools or software, it might not be as smooth a fit, which could be a deal breaker if you're looking for broader compatibility. The second thing to consider is the automation features. Zoho Books automatically calculates sales tax based on your location and the type of product or service you're selling. This can save you tons of time compared to manually calculating sales tax. But keep in mind that some competitors like TaxJar offer even more robust automation, particularly if you're dealing with more complex tax scenarios. Next thing, accuracy. Zoho Books relies on its own tax rate database, which is updated regularly. But if you operate in multiple states or countries with frequent rate changes, the accuracy can sometimes be an issue. For businesses dealing with frequent tax changes, a service like Avalara may provide more frequent updates and accuracy. The fourth thing to know is the reporting functionality. With Zoho Books, you can generate sales tax reports easily, which is essential during tax season. However, it's a bit basic compared to other platforms like QuickBooks, which offer more detailed and customizable reporting options. Moving on to the fifth point, support. Zoho Books offers support, but it's not 24/7. If you run a global business and need around-the-clock support for tax-related queries, this could be a limitation compared to competitors like Xero, which provides more comprehensive customer service options. The sixth thing is pricing. The sales tax add-on comes with an additional cost on top of the base Zoho Books subscription. While it's affordable, it may not be the best fit for smaller businesses on a tight budget. If you're just starting, other software like QuickBooks might offer a better overall package for a similar price. Next thing, flexibility in tax settings. Zoho Books allows you to set up tax rules based on various factors, like product type and location. This is a nice feature, but if you need extremely fine-tuned customization for things like tax exemptions, you might find it lacking compared to something like TaxJar, which offers more granular control. The eighth point is about integrations. Zoho Books does integrate with several third-party apps, but not as many as other solutions. If you're using specialized software for e-commerce, inventory, or other business needs, you might need to do a little extra work to integrate Zoho Books or look for another platform with more out-of-the-box integrations. Now, let's talk about user experience. Zoho Books is known for being user-friendly, but some users report that the tax features can be a bit difficult to navigate at first. You'll need some time to get used to how it handles tax calculations and reports. Competitors like QuickBooks Online or Wave have a more intuitive interface in this area. The 10th thing to know is multi-currency support. If your business operates in multiple countries, Zoho Books can handle multi-currency transactions, which is a big plus. However, some alternatives like Xero offer a smoother multi-currency experience with fewer limitations on tax calculations across currencies. The 11th point is tax jurisdiction management. Zoho Books allows you to manage tax rates for different jurisdictions, which is useful for businesses with multiple locations. However, if your business is heavily involved in sales across different jurisdictions, you might want a solution like Avalara, which specializes in tax calculations across state and international lines. Finally, while Zoho Books is a good option for businesses already using Zoho products, it might not be the best choice if you need something more specialized or if you require complex tax scenarios. But if you're looking for a solid, easy-to-use solution that integrates well within the Zoho ecosystem, it's worth considering. That said, if you want a better option, we recommend checking out our solution, which you can try for free. It might just be what you need to take your tax management to the next level.